In today's video, I'll teach you how to change payment settings in Costco. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in Costco.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Costco. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to change the payment settings, it is actually very simple. For that, you'll have to go to the payment method interface of Costco. In order to do that, click on this option account that you can see right over here on your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find the options like account home, orders and purchases, account details, etc. over here. Simply click on this option payment methods that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the payment methods in Costco. You'll be able to change the settings of these payment methods. You'll be able to add a new payment method, or you'll also be able to edit or remove the existing one. So if you want to add the payment method, what you have to do is simply enter your payment details over here. Enter your card number. Also enter the expiration date and cardholder name over here. Now once you do that, click on this option add card that you can see on the screen and the payment method will be added. If you already have the existing payment methods, you'll be able to find the option for edit or remove. Simply click on any of the options and you'll be able to edit or remove the payment method. Likewise, you can also set up membership auto renew if you want. For that, what you have to do is simply scroll down in this interface. Now over here, you'll be able to find this option for set up membership auto renew. You'll be able to see all of your payment methods over here. Simply click on the payment method that you would like to use in order to renew your membership automatically. After you do that, you'll be able to set up the membership auto renew. That means that particular card will be charged when your membership will be renewed automatically. So these are basically the payment settings that you'll be able to change in Costco. So that is how you change payment settings in Costco. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.